Hi, I'm Allison. I recently completed my undergraduate studies in biomedical engineering at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville. This summer, I'm a SULI intern in the Biomedical Sciences Engineering and Computing group here at ORNL. Prior to this internship, my exposure to programming was limited to MATLAB, and over the last 9 weeks, I have gained significant programming experience in Python.
Hi, I'm Melissa Yuan, and I'm entering my sophomore year at Princeton University as a molecular biology major. This summer, I was an intern for the Biomedical Science, Engineering, and Computing division at ORNL. Previously, my computing programming skills were in Java from an introductory college course, but have since expanded to include Python via this data challenge.
In our submission, we addressed Data Challenge 5, Scientific Publication Mining. Within the given time period, we were able to tackle 3 challenge problems. 1. Identify the individual or group of individuals who appear to be the expert in a particular field or subfield. 2. Identify topics that have been researched across all publications. And 4. Identify how topics have shifted over time.
We addressed question 2, topic modeling, first by augmenting the given corpus with MEDLINE. This corpus was pre-processed into data frames, then bags of words, using the natural language toolkit. The bags of words were inputted into a stored latent Dirichlet allocation model and an R word prior engine that saves word probabilities over topics. The output of these algorithms were then mapped to each other using cosine similarity to produce human-readable topics.
A sample output from this algorithm includes the topics discussed in the publication and important words from the abstract associated with those topics. In question 1, from the LDA model, we use topic distributions for each document multiplied by the journal impact factor to generate the weighted publication impact matrix. Given the citation edges provided for the data challenge, publications in this matrix receive an additional weight to their scores for the topics that are discussed in both the citing and cited works, thus creating our topic impact matrix. From this matrix, experts and their topic scores can be generated on demand. An example output would list the names of the authors with the highest ranking and their respective scores for a given topic.
For question 4, we combined a collapsed medical subject headings tree with our pre-processed data frames to form the topics year matrix. These topics can be queried and then displayed on the interactive topics over time visualization, both of which form the user interface. Users may input the number of topics and the topics they want to display on the timeline. They may further interact with the timeline by selecting a time span with a range selector and/or cleaning the visualization by selecting the terms of interest from the initial input.
We encountered several challenges throughout the course of this project, though corpus size proved to be one of the greatest. With more than 24 million records requiring more than 100 gigabytes of disk space, it took 2 days to train the LDA model alone, which greatly limited the size of our dictionary and number of topics. From this data challenge, we learned that there is a need for a documentation standard across repositories and a thorough collection of citation connections for all publications.